Welcome back to Zoe Edits. In today's video, we'll be taking a deep dive into MiniTool Video Editor, a simple yet powerful video editing software perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking to create YouTube videos, slideshows, or professional edits, this tool has you covered. Let's jump right in. Let's dive into video editing in MiniTool Desktop. Start by clicking in New Project. By clicking on Upload Media File, you will be shown an option to select your videos or images from your PC. That's how your video will get uploaded. Click on it and drag down in the workstation. Upload music from the stock library of MiniTool. MiniTool has a huge stock of music with almost every genre. Or import music into this project from the media, and then music option. Drop it down in the workstation area. Trim the extra part. Now go to Effects. Pick black in and drag drop it. Hit this T icon to add text to your video. Drag drop it and stretch till the video ends. From TH8's drop DO2N menu, select the font style you want. Adjust text location and size. Here you can explore all the text options you have. From these brabs you can select C9 lore, size, spacing, alignment, and much more. Or from this title tab, select the text background you want. Drag drop this effect over your text. Stretch till the end. T8W is how it should look like. Choose the H3B paraway of your video and hit export. That's it, follow for me.